Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title of this video, I am doing my skincare routine. I've done a skincare routine on my channel before, but I think I mentioned that, my last bathroom, it just wasn't bright. And so the video was kind of like subpar. So we're doing it again. I pretty much have kept the same routine, like as always. It's pretty basic, but it works for me. So recently, I feel like I have been neglecting my skin and I have some bumps and whatnot. Like, I'm probably trying to zoom in a little bit, but you can just see like I have bumps on my skin and then I can feel like the texture on my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys my routine. That way you guys can know how I typically take care of my skin. And yeah, let's get right into it. So to start off, I am going to be using at least one or two things new today, but I did get these little wrist things to help with washing my face. Well, it doesn't help you wash your face, but it helps, like, the water won't travel all the way down my arm, hopefully. I'm gonna put this to the test because I've seen this all over TikTok that people have been using these. So let's see. I just purchased mine from Amazon. I don't know where everybody else is getting them from. Most likely Amazon, just because that's where everybody shops nowadays. But yeah, I'm going to be using these, and at the end I'll let you guys know if they're truly worth it or not, because I just don't know. All right, so for my first product, I'm going to be using a cleanser. So let me wet my face first. So I'm pretty sure you can hear my water running. I'm just going to be wetting my face a little bit. I personally like to wet my face before, like, I even start. I don't know if everybody does that, but I feel like your face should be wet before you just apply the cleanser. So yeah. All right, and so for cleanser today, I'm going to be using this product. This is the Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser by the brand that I can never pronounce, Ole Henriksen. Anyways, I'm gonna learn how to say this product name one day. I think I'm just gonna have to look it up and stop being stubborn about it. But yeah, so this cleanser, let me just tell y'all about it real quick, because I feel like, let me stop my water. I have been using this for quite some time. I think I've repurchased this 3, maybe 4 times. I haven't used another cleanser in a long time. Actually, I did use that kale cleanser that everybody talks about. It's like green. I'll have to put a picture up or something, but it did nothing for my skin, and I think it caused breakouts, but everybody's skin is different. So yeah, this one I love. I feel like it dries the oil right out of my skin, which I personally really need because I can get really oily. So let's go ahead and apply the cleanser. I like to get a little bit of suds going before I apply it on my skin. I really like to get into my eyebrows because I don't know about y'all, but sometimes my eyebrows get really dry and like they flake, and I don't know what that means, but I always try to get in good with my brows. So far so good with the wrist things. I haven't had any water come past them yet, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now that I've pretty much coated my skin with all the cleanser, it's time for me to rinse. So after I rinse my cleanser off, I pretty much take a microfiber washcloth and kind of pat my skin dry. just like this. And I absolutely love the feeling that my cleanser has after it's rinsed off. Like, my skin feels so fresh. I feel like the oil is just gone from my skin, which I personally love that feeling. So now it's time to move into our next product. So I am using this. This is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, and it's by The Ordinary. I like to use this after cleanser. A little bit goes a long way because I do feel like it might leave a little bit residue if you use too much. So I use this just to try to get rid of some of the bumps on my skin, and it does really well. So I love the dropper on this. I kind of just take it and just do like 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. I feel like that's enough for me. And then I kind of do like this and pat it into my skin. If you have congested skin, I feel like this is really good for you. It's like a little serum that you can use. And yeah, I just put this all over my skin. I don't use it as a spot treatment. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these because I'm done washing my face. So now it's time to tone our skin. Always follow up with a toner before your cream. So I am using my Holy Grail toner. This is the Jasmine Green Tea Toner by Herbivore. I've probably purchased this 3 or 4 times as well. I haven't used another toner in a really long time. It looks like this. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm gonna have to purchase another one soon. The toner is kind of expensive, but I will say it's well worth it. Pretty much what I do is I just spray it all over my face just like this. And it feels so freaking good. I just kind of fan my face afterwards. So yeah, toner is complete. So now it's time to follow up with your favorite facial cream or moisturizer. The one that I'm choosing today is by Fresh. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I haven't used this that many times. Now, facial creams, moisturizers, this is something I do tend to play with quite often. I won't say often because you don't want to mix up your skincare routine too much, but I do like to try different facial creams. So this one I use, and it's very hydrating. And I just put this one all over my face as well. So after moisturizing my face, I do like to follow up with a chapstick of some sort. This is the Sugar Advanced Therapy Recovery Lip Mask, and it's by Fresh as well. It's pretty expensive. It's very small, but it lasts a long time. And it also makes my lips feel so soft. So I pretty much just dig in here and then apply it. I feel like it's instant on my lips. Like, it just looks so good. My lips look plump again. So I really like that. So we're almost done with our skincare routine here. I'm just gonna follow up with a hydrating mist spray. You don't have to do this part. It's very, very much so optional. So I'm just going to take this one by Fresh as well. It is the Rose Instant Hydration Mist, and it's supposed to refresh and refine the look of your pores with damask rose extract. And I just shake it up a little bit, and then so my skin is feeling very fresh. Last but not least, so recently I did get my eyebrows laminated, and so that did come with some brow oil. So every other day I'll apply it, and so today is the other day. So I'm just going to take this small tube of brow oil, and now that I think about it, I don't know what kind of oil this is. I just used it after she gave it to me. probably not good that I didn't ask. But we're gonna keep using it anyways because it does make my brows look really good and it makes them feel really good. So all right, you guys, so that was my final skin routine. Like I said, it's very easy, it's quick, it's to the point. I love that I can do this in the morning or at night. Now for the nighttime, I do switch up just a few products, not too many, but yeah, I love the skin routine and it always makes me feel just fresh and like myself again. Oh, and I do want to talk about these little wristbands, you guys. If you can, I would say purchase them. I definitely give them a good 8 out of 10 because no water dripped down my arms and that's so annoying to me. But absolutely, I would purchase these off Amazon if you know, like don't run and go to your Amazon cart now. But if you think about it later, go ahead and add these to your wish list. Put them in your cart and then buy them when you can because they are really good. I got gray, pink, and white. I'm gonna have to see if they have other colors, but the gray ones are so cute. I love them. So are they worth the hype? I would say yes, absolutely. I mean, like realistically, you can just wipe off your arms whenever you're finished. But if you don't want to have to do that, then definitely grab a pack, okay, you guys? So y'all let me know in the comments what you guys thought of my skin routine. Are there any other